Hey guys, it's Thomas from the Barber Style Directory, and today I'll be demonstrating a mid-fade with the comb-over. By the end of this video, you'll have a detailed method on how to get the same results. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need to get started: hand sanitizer, clipper disinfectant, holding spray, shears, combs, an electric shaver, a water bottle, hair clips, and guards. The clipper that I'll be using is a Switch 1.0. It comes with a trimmer attachment as well as a clipper attachment, giving me the functionality of multiple devices without actually needing multiple devices. Get yours today by clicking the link in the description. So to begin, we're going to section off the hair. As you can see right here, his hair grows at a different angle, so we have to make sure that we don't take off too much or too little hair. So we're going to wet the hair and then section it off. All right, now that we've sectioned off the hair, we're going to make our initial guideline with the trimmer. I take the number 4 guard and begin to debulk the sides. I go right up to the parietal ridge where the head starts to round off. Next, I take the clipper with the lever fully open and make a 1-inch guideline. Next, I fully close the lever and begin blending up from the bottom. And I'm going to gradually open the lever about 1/4 of the way as I continue to go up. Next, I take the 1 guard with the lever fully open and make another 1-inch guideline. Next, I fully close the lever and begin blending at the bottom. Then open the lever halfway and blend in between. Next, take the half guard with the lever halfway open and blend right up under that 1 guard closed. Fully close the lever and blend right up under that. Next, take the number 2 guard with the lever fully open and begin to blend up. Now we're going to fully close the lever and begin blending down. Now take the 1.5 guard with the lever fully open and blend up under that 2 guard. Next, we're going to do clipper over comb. And this will keep the weight but still give that transition. Next, we're going to take the shaver and clean up his face. We're also going to do this to the fade to get it nice and skin tight. Repeat the same steps on the other side of the head. And then now we're going to attack the top. So now I'm going to saturate the hair on top with water. And I'm going to section off the hair. And I'm going to take my guideline from the middle section. So once I establish my guide in the front, as I go back, I'm going to take a section of hair from that previous section that I just cut, and we're going to match it with the new section of hair that I grabbed. So that way we make sure the hair is cut evenly from front to back. And then once I cut the middle section, I move over just a tad, repeating that same process, but I still have some of the hair from the middle. That way I'm making sure that I'm cutting the hair all to the same length across the entire head. Then you want to comb everything forward. And then here I'm going back and rechecking my work. And then now I'm styling it to how he normally styles his hair. He was satisfied with the length, so now I'm going to style it. And this is the end result.